Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing analysis of past exam questions and expected questions for advanced accounts paper 5 for your November 20 exams. But before we get into the analysis, I would like to share some information. In the same YouTube channel, we have also released CA Inter accounting paper, entire syllabus, quick revision videos for concepts, CA Inter corporate and other laws. All chapters videos have also been released in YouTube channel for quick revision, and also both groups accounting standard concept videos also have been released in the channel. Similar analysis video for group 1 accounts is also released, and corporate and other laws expected questions will also be released in a couple of days. Now, another important point I would like to share is the analysis provided here is only based on the past attempt and prediction of the faculty. Please do not study only this for your exam, but you can give importance to these areas for your revision for the exam. Now, let us get into the pattern. If you look at your advanced accounts paper, there has been a small change. This change was supposed to be in effect from May 20 exams. However, May 20 exams were cancelled. So this is the first time, November 20 will be the first time with this change. What is this change? Few topics have been removed from your syllabus: underwriting, insurance, preparing books of accounts for insurance companies, mutual funds accounting, and valuation of goodwill. These topics have been removed. So let us not discuss much about this. What has been added into the syllabus is nothing but few topics from group 1 has been shifted to group 2. All of you must be aware of this: AS4, AS5, AS17, AS22, and partnership accounts. Now let us get into the analysis. I want to start from module 3 because it's a very simple module and important for your exam. Module 3 has only now banking companies, NBFC, consolidated financial statement. These three are major topics. CFS. I have just added theory here. Now, theory is going to be there in every attempt. If you see a past analysis, 4 to 8 marks. Generally, there will be one question in the last question, or sometimes very rarely there will be two questions. So you can expect one theory question in your exams. Next, if you see in module 3, banking company is a chapter which has been tested in every attempt. Therefore, you can expect one question from banking company also. This time also I'm expecting from NBFC one question, because mainly because there has been amendments in NBFC in percentages and all, very important for your exam. So don't miss NBFC also. And CFS has also been tested almost in every attempt. So you can expect a full-fledged sum or computation of minority interest, small sum for 5 marks. So module 3 is very much important. Everything, all banking companies, NBFC and CFS will definitely be tested. Let us now move to module 1. Very, very important. 20 marks, especially your compulsory question. Compulsory question in your exam, 20 marks. Question number 1 is going to be from module 1. Especially this time, there are 4 more new accounting standards, making things more difficult for your exam, for predicting what's going to be in exam. So my analysis, if you see, either AS4 or 5, you can expect one question for sure. You can expect one question with both combination of AS4 and 5, 2 marks, 2 marks, or one question from AS4 or 5. Similarly, expect one from AS17 or AS22. Definitely, you can expect one question from AS17 or AS22. Both are group 1 standards pushed to group 2. So you can expect 4 to 8 marks from that. Moving on, AS18, I'm expecting one question this time from AS18, and also from AS19 or AS20. From AS19 or AS20, one question from this combination. AS7, I don't expect it this time because it's generally a May attempt question. And AS9, since they have tested it last 2 times in May 19 and November 19, I don't expect them asking that in November 20 this time. Moving forward, AS26 and 29, they have tested in November 19, but before which they have not tested it much. So considering that they've tested it in the last attempt, which was valid attempt in ICA, I don't expect it in November 20 also. But again, it is only my expectation. Partnership accounts is mandatory for your exam, guys. Very, very important. Definitely expect minimum 10 to 20 marks from this chapter. Either a 10-mark question or a 20-mark question will come from partnership accounts, but mostly you can expect a 10 to 12-mark question. Moving on to module 2, ESOP has been tested in every attempt from May 18, so you can expect it in November 20 exams also. Buyback was not tested in November 18. So this time, in my view, I am not expecting buyback. Generally, buyback is there in all attempts, but this time I am expecting buyback might not come. But again, it's only an expectation. Amalgamation is another chapter I'm expecting this time. They might ask you computation of goodwill computation. or purchase consideration. They might ask computation of purchase consideration. Then reconstruction of companies, internal reconstruction and liquidation. Almost every attempt has been tested. So therefore November 20 also they will be testing it. And schedule 3. What is schedule 3? They will ask classification. Appendix for schedule 3. It has been tested in November 18. It has also been tested in November 19. So I'm expecting them to test this in November 20 also. Important for your exams. So this is my analysis. The only thing which I'm leaving out is buyback. I'm leaving out buyback because they're going to include ESOP or some other small topics, or buyback might also be included and they might leave out either internal reconstruction or liquidation, because amalgamation is something I'm expecting in this attempt because it's been quite some time since they've tested amalgamation of companies in your syllabus. So this is the analysis for November 20 exams. Also for banking companies, my expectation is they might ask interest on bills discounted, similar type of sum, or income recognition. Don't expect a full-fledged sum from banking this time. They are not going to ask a full-fledged sum from banking, prepare P&L balance sheet, because it was tested in the previous attempt in November 19 itself. So you can expect some small sum from banking companies. So this is my summary of topics which I'm expecting for November 20 exams. Thank you guys. All the best for your exams.